How to use TTS on Chrome browser. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply open Chrome browser. Here we will search for Love Voice AI. So I will simply search for Love Voice AI. Once I search for that, you guys will simply click on that first website. Once we click here you guys will simply sign up. For sign up, you guys will simply click on top right corner three lines, and after that you guys will simply sign up. Once we sign up, here you guys will see that type of interface. After that we will simply paste our script. So I will simply paste my script. Here you guys will see language wise. So in language you guys can select the text language. Here you guys can see a lot of language, almost all world languages. And also you guys will see voice. In voice you guys can see a lot of voices, so you guys can choose your favorite one. So I will simply choose Michael. And after that you guys will simply click on generate audio. So let's click on generate audio. Here we go, our voice was ready. For downloading that voice, you guys will simply click on that download option. Thanks for watching.
Dinner. Ava set a plate for her dad who'd passed away.